Not yet totally completed because the basic amenities like power and water are not yet totally in place, and nothing can be done in a hospital without power and without water. Okay, so that is being put in place, and I think the committee in charge of this present situation visited the hospital, and the contractor has asked for, I think he asked for 2.5 months to complete everything. Now, once everything is completed and the furniture, all the equipment, essential equipment is put in place, it's for the government to decide. But it has to be completed. Okay? That's one thing. Secondly, for the market. Now, presently, the vendors are doing their business in pathetic environment. Okay? Not only because of the monsoons, there is water all around them. Some cases were also detected in close vicinity. And many of our vendors of Kortali market are very senior persons. Okay, we cannot expose them to this, and therefore the government, and I can say the chief minister, has taken a very keen effort, has put in keen effort to ensure that whatever is needed for the market to start opening is being done, and we are very close, on the verge of getting the existing vendors into the market. Okay, there is also a very definite policy that will govern the market. Okay, this also is on the verge of happening. So very soon the market, see, we cannot allow the market in the conditions that it is at the moment. So the market will definitely start functioning very soon as per the rules and regulations. See, I don't know if you all are aware, there are individuals who want to put a stop to things. Now, government has spent so much money to do that market. I think it's the biggest market in South Goa. For whom? For the vendors and for the people, to have a good marketplace to where they can go to do their shopping. And yet, they went to this court, that court. I don't know what is in their minds. Are you going to not allow the market to start operating for the benefit of the people of the village? And it is not just one village that this market will favor. In the sense, benefit. It is for the village of Kelosi, for the village of Kortali, for the village of Sangpal. Okay? And the venue, the market has specific venues. Right now you must have seen there are so many vendors selling things all along the road. Even to cater to such vendors, there is a specific area in the